Hi, my name's Bill, I'm 63-year-old, and this is my wife Pauline, who's a princely 55-year-old. We've been married for quite a few years and have had obviously very intimate relationships, but in recent times I developed a condition called Peyronie's disease, and Pauline quite separately developed a condition called Lichen Sclerosis, which we never really found any opportunities to get corrected. Pauline had visited a dermatologist and given her various creams, etc. But really it was quite unsatisfactory. Doing our internet research, Pauline, you found the old concept
by our doctor here, the wonderful Dr. Wacky, who introduced us to this, so we both came down to see him.
And we've had various treatments around the old concept, shockwave, P-shots, O-shots and several other treatments that we have to say, have considerably helped our situation. We're now back to full intimate relations, and whilst I'll continue to have some further treatments for Peyronie's, including stem cell treatment, we're really now back to where we used to be, and an intimate relationship, very important to us. And it's from a position of anxiety and stress and worry, we're now free of that, and we can only thank Dr. Wacky for working his magic in the whole concept.
And after that, I've got to thank Dr. Wacky. After my last treatment, I can now actually walk along the streets and get the O sensation. Thanks again.
And that brings a smile to the face.